northeast Tennessee. We may have our work cut out for us here.
He's looking right at us. Got him.
Oh shit.
Here he goes.
Is he down?
No. I just saw him running. Did you have a good shot?
I think so.
All right.
I hope that was a good shot.
He mule kicked. Hey, get your reloads.
Okay.
And I could see him going.
I saw him going down that edge.
Yep.
So we should be able to see him pretty.
Yep.
Dude, first hour into.
He was actually pretty decent, wasn't he? At first you're like, yeah, he's not that big.
Okay. Alright, let me go reload.
Alright.
So we're gonna go up. All the Florida people aren't used to this kind of stuff.
Yeah, she shot a buck up there. So let's go up there and see if we can get him. The last place I saw him was up here at the top of this hill. We got the first bit of blood that we've seen. So I'm hoping he got down in this
You think he put it on this way? It looked like he kind of was coming.
Yeah, there's blood down here.
Yeah. Right, here's some right here too.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think he cleaned it on this way.
Yeah.
Oh, here's this one.
The blood? Okay, good. Looks like a good amount of blood too. No.
But I did see.
Yeah, there's blood. I hope he hit this road and then died over here on this road. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks like a piece of lung. Oh, look with your scope right there. See that white and brown?
White and brown, I don't see it.
Is that a deer? Straight ahead of us, laying down on the ground. I believe it's him.
I can't see it.
Just keep going straight that way. If I think it's him. Look for blood as you're going, and that'll confirm it. I mean, it could be a log too. I hope not though. So we got blood right here. Blood's going this way. It's pouring out of him.
Yeah, I see him.
You see him?
I see him.
Okay.
I don't know if he's there.
Here, let's walk.
I think I see Bill.
Let's follow the blood trail to him. Blood trail goes this way. That boy went a long ways. Okay. Let's just find the easiest path down to him. Just go straight through there. Or yeah, that open spot. Yes.
It's my first
Tennessee?
Tennessee buck.
Hell yeah, awesome, good job. We just came from there down to that.
Come check him out.
Get these briars out of the way.
You know, he doesn't have the biggest rack, but look at his body. I'm certain this boy's mature.
He's got a big old head and neck and body.
Yeah, look, check out my shot.
Smoked him.
Yep. How far did you run?
200 yards.
Whew.
Yeah.
So, this is my first year this season. It's been a slow one. Haven't been able to get it done in Florida, but we came up here, first hour of the hunt, and
took the pressure off.
Yes, that's right. It feels good to kill a deer.
So now we can go, now we can clean a deer and then get down to business and find, well, I don't know. I say old stud daddy, but this is a mature deer.
It's okay. Look how white his antlers are.
Yeah, boys.
Really white.
Oh, yeah. Good job.
Well, thank you for helping me.
Mm-hmm.
Now we gotta get him out of here.
Well, luckily, I don't think we have a very far drag to the truck.
Yeah. Yeah, that worked out.
Yep. So let's do it.
All right.
Good job, Ben.
Thanks.
Whoa, looking down that. Oh, God.